Welcome back to another Flutter tutorial. Now that we have finished design our search page, we are able to search for cars and also display the results inside of a list view widget. Let's now make sure that our design follows the same design that we've been implementing throughout this tutorial series. First of all, I want the results inside of list view to be displayed the same way as we have in the grid. We have right here a container widget, and then we have round corners for the container and also for the image inside. And when the user click on it, we can go to a detail page. Let's apply the same logic inside of these items for our list view widget. So let's go inside of this add search response section, and then inside of this build method, right here where we are returning just a detector. First of all, let's replace this card widget with a container widget. Once you replace with a container widget, you can see we have this error. This is because we don't have the shape property, so delete it. Let's also delete this color for the background color. So right here we can call the decoration property. You can call the box decoration. And then let's make sure this color for the background is transparent. So call the colors dot transparent as the value. Give it a comma. And then let's make sure our border is added. So call this border dot all. And then the width of this border will be defined by calling this width property with a value of 0.3 pixel. Give it a comma. Also give it a comma right here. And now let's make our corners rounded, calling border radius. Then call the border radius dot circular, and the value will be 9.0. So save everything. As you can see, we need to add some margin and padding to each item. So come right here. Let's call the margin property, make this a constant, and then call this edgely set dot all with a value of 4.0. And then let's do the same thing for the padding. So make this one a constant, call the edgely set dot all, but now the value will be 8.0 pixel. So save everything. Now let's copy this border radius, and let's go inside of this container responsible to display this image, and let's make this corner rounded. So come right here, give it a comma after this decoration property or decoration image, and paste your border radius property. Save. So now let's add some more information for this car. You can see right here inside of this column widget, we need to add the price, and also add a text right here for the availability, if it's available to display as it is, but if it's not, to display not available with the color of red. So for that, first of all, let's copy this row right here for the model, and after that paste it, and let's replace this one to be the price information. So this text will be price, and right here we'll do a string interpolation. You can call right here day text, and then do a $$ you can call the brackets, and then you can do a backslash and then call the $. So right here we replace this car model to the price, and then we do a toString method right here. So now save everything. Come right here for the availability. Let's use a text widget, and then for the text this will be available or availability. Give it a comma right here. Change right here to have an A. So save everything. And also change right here the main axis value to be space between. So now let's come right here for the brand, and let's make it a little bit bolder. So come right here, add a comma, call the style property, and then text style, and then let's call the font weight property. This will take the font weight in un and with a value of 600. Now copy this property and also place right here for the value. Save everything. Now it's a little bit bolder. So now let's make all this text a constant. So you can copy this const keyword right here, paste it here for the model, and also for the price, and also for this availability. You can also apply right here for this value of this text brand right here. Make this properties a constant. So save everything. So now we need to do a decoupling between this list view widget and also this gesture detector widget. So let's get this gesture detector now from a widget. So let's go inside of our widgets folder and create a new file. You can call this file search underscore list underscore item dot dart. Make it a stateless widget, and we'll use dependency injection to provide the car information. So changing the name right here to be search list item. So right here you can call final, and the type will be car, and you can call this current car. Import your car class, give it a comment right here. Let's make this one require, so this dot current car. And now copy this return widget. You can cut it and then come right here and replace it for your placeholder. So with all these in place, save everything. Let's go back, and now let's call again the return, and now let's call this widget right here. So copy the name of your class, paste it right here, add your parenthesis and also semicolon, and then import to this widget. And now you can do current car. This will be equal to this current car right here. So now save everything and let's reload our app and see if everything is working the same way. So get started. Let's go to our search page. Let's search for BMW. Click on the search button and you can see right here. Afterwards, we'll add a navigation widget so we can go to the detail page where you can see all the information in details, and you can also click on this reservation to reserve this car. But for now, I just want to customize this list view widget. As you can see, we are following the same design as we have right here for our dashboard page. In the next video, let's focus our attention in this My Account page. Let's learn how to work with tabs and create this layout. So this is it for this video. If you find this video useful, give a like and also subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get notification when new videos are coming out. This is it. See you on the next one.